जा नहीं, दोस्ती करने से तो बेहतर है कि कोई फ्रेंड्स ना रहे, और मेरे कोई फ्रेंड्स है भी। What should women do better and learn from men? Nothing. ब्लॉक कर दे, लगता है एक छापड़ मारी थी यार। तुम अभी भी उससे बात करती है? तो मैं ऐसे करके बात करती कोई 5 hours, I sleep for 5 hours. Hi, now aka Angry Didi, how are you doing and how is the weather treating you? Weather, oh my god. The only मैंने पढ़ा ये कहीं पे अभी, like the only sunscreen I believe in is my home. So true. Like just stay back at home. It's not possible. ये तो मैं इतनी ऐसे बोल रही जैसे कोई काम ही नहीं, but यार बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है। Like मैं निकली थी तो it's like burning sensation feel हो रहा है literally. It's like your skin is burning. In literal sense, it's like burning sensation. So it's very much hot out there. So yeah, let's introduce her. Urna studied at Jadavpur University Department of Comparative Literature, has some 58,346 followers on her own ID and round about 2,72,000 followers on Angry Didi page, which was previously 3 lakhs, and 37.2 followers on Instagram. Now she's also preparing for civil services exams, which is UPSC. Just giving you an insight, Urna had been my batchmate. We used to sing together at school events. What I know about her, that she's really bold, courageous person with a kind heart and a very melodious voice. She's truly an embodiment of femininity wrapped around strength. So Urna, my questions would revolve around your journey, your perspectives on life, mental health, and rest I would let the conversation just flow. So first thing first, how did your journey with content creation started, and how did you choose to switch from content creation to preparing for civil services exam? Hello everyone, first of all, and thank you Nidhi for calling me into this podcast. So the thing is, I did not switch from content creation to UPSC actually, civil services. I actually switched. It was the opposite thing. I actually switched from UPSC to that because I always thought of doing civil services. But when it was COVID-19, during COVID-19, like in end of 2019 and beginning of 2020, my like graduation degree was still not over. Last semester was left. So then I had, ample of time. So I just started it. And the first video was viral. From there, I never thought I'll do something with this. This was just, just what to say. This was just, कुछ होता है कि बस हो गया, अचानक से हो गया. कुछ प्लान नहीं है, कुछ इसमें कुछ करने का भी मन नहीं है, बस हो गया. This was that. Okay. And then after I graduated and things got better, this COVID thing and all that, then I again was back to my original thing. Okay. How did you feel about when the first video went viral and you started making more videos? It was very unbelievable. I was like, what is happening? I did not think this is going to happen. So it was a bit unbelievable. Everyone was like, oh my god, you're viral. And yeah, after that I started making videos and it started getting viral. But I did not feel anything special actually. It used to give me joy. That's it. I never thought, oh my god, I am this much famous and wow. I never thought of I'm famous or not. It just gave me joy and that's why I did it. That's it. That famous thing never affected me much. Means fame was never your bucket list? No. Fame was not. It's fine. Because you have nothing to do with fame. What will you do with fame? Like what? Exactly what will you do with fame? That cannot be your aim to become famous. Your aim has to be a content creator, not to become famous. That comes with it as a bonus. But you have nothing to do with that. Like, what will you do being famous? Like, fame is like, you're getting attention, you're getting love, you're getting people respecting you, people admiring you, a kind of a need, human need. No, people, fame does not always mean that people are respecting you, because with fame there are so many negativity also comes. Like, people bullies you, people use very bad languages, commenting in a very bad way. Those things are also happening. It's not always that people are respecting you. Yeah, attention you're getting, very much of attention you're getting. But me as a person does not like that much of attention, because I think people who are very much introvert are the people who like attention. But when it comes to me, I have always been an extrovert kind of a person from the very beginning. Since childhood, I was a very extrovert kind of a girl. So wherever I used to go, I used to get attention. Like, people used to talk to me. People used to like, yeah, babe. When I was a kid, they used to, yeah, sing, 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 do something. So I never had that inferiority complex.
Okay.
So attention was it's okay, it's fine. What will I'm going somewhere, what will I do with the attention? I think that's an extra pressure, because if I don't get the attention, I can observe what people are doing. That is more fun.
I see. So you don't like getting noticed, you like noticing people.
Yeah, I like noticing people.
And that is how you make content also. You notice people a lot.
Yeah, I noticed that helps while if you're a content creator. Noticing, I think noticing helps in everything, in in your studies, in your creativity. You have to notice. You have to have your eyes observe, and you have to be observant.
Yes, absolutely. So, you weren't very studious until class 10. So, how did your inclination towards academics and
Pata nahi. I just, in class 11, I just chose the subject I loved the most, I enjoyed the most, and bus, that's it.
Okay, and then you became studious?
I became studious. I think maths was always a problem for me. That was always a mental blockage for me when I was in school. I was so afraid of the subject maths that when I thought that if I'm taking humanities, then that maths burden will go away, automatically I grew interest in my study when I started studying.
Okay, I see.
That fear was born somewhere. And I was also confident with those subjects. Like, I knew that this is my genre, this is my area, and I can do it here. So I did it.
Okay, and that is how you're preparing for, like, do you have maths now? Are you studying?
Yes, I have maths, and now I'm also liking it. I don't know, but yeah, now I like maths. I'm still doing it. I'm not saying that I'm very good at it. I'm not. But yeah, much better.
How did you like? A lot of people have this problem of hating maths or, not getting along with it. So, what's your take on that? How to get along with the subject you dislike?
First, you should get a good teacher. It's very important that if you hate a subject, get a good teacher who can develop that interest with that subject, and then get some responsibilities. Like, I don't have any option, I have to do this. It's either like, I don't have an option. If I don't do this, then I'll not pass, or I'll not get my results good. Think that, and don't avoid it. Keep on doing it, one day you will. The more you avoid and run away, the more it will become difficult. And just think कि क्या होगा, नहीं कर पाएंगे, इससे ज़्यादा तो कुछ नहीं होगा. बट ये थिंकिंग स्कूल लाइफ में नहीं आता है. तब डर रहता है कि नहीं होगा. अभी जब द वे मोर वी ग्रो अप, इट्स लाइक क्या ही होगा, देख लेंगे जो होगा. सो व्हेन दैट एटीट्यूड कम्स, सब्जेक्ट्स बिकम्स इजी.
फर्स्ट थिंग इज लाइक एक्सेप्टेंस कि नहीं आता है.
एक्सेप्ट या सिचुएशन दैट मुझे ये नहीं आता है और मुझे ये करना है. अब कैसे करना है वो देख लेंगे, पर करेंगे. तो फिर अगर तुम सोच रही हो कि तुम करोगी, तो उसके बाद तो सोल्यूशन आता रहेगा.
मतलब दिस इज लाइक अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ things you have to accept everything about a person or a thing you don't like.
Accept you
like, sorry.
and your characteristics as a person.
Yeah.
It will be easier for you.
So what's your daily life schedule? Abhi, matlab, what's your schedule? How do you plan your day? And
I have to maintain a very like disciplined kind of a life, time bound kind of a life. Like I wake up early, then I have this whole routine. I study according to that routine, and I don't take breaks, like very less breaks. I just get up to take a bath or to eat. And then I again come back and like I'm every time surrounded with books. Even if I'm not reading, books are there with me. That's my routine. Then and I sleep early because I wake up early, I sleep early. And I work out also. That I do.
so like books doesn't give you stress, it's in and around you. And
No, it gives me peace.
so then
Like if I know that there are books with me, I'm at peace.
it doesn't give you stress or unpredictability factor of not acing the exam. Does that?
Yeah, that does give me stress. But then for few minutes or half an hour, then I'm like, अरे यार चल पढ़ते हैं, क्या हुआ?
So you are okay. You are like, you can accept failures. I mean, like, yeah, it's fine. Like, okay.
So I can't accept failures actually, but I'm trying to do that because I do the exam I'm going to give. There are so much of chances that it will let me see failure. So I'm getting prepared for that.
Things you learned from your school days and would also like to unlearn from those days.
Learned from school days. Learned from school days is to take pressure, like how to work properly in pressure. Like the amount of exams we used to give. So I know how to operate in pressure and how to complete syllabus in like 2-3 days, because in class 10 and 12 the first examination, our school used to start in the first day, like for 1st or 2nd April our school used to start, and the first exam used to be on 15th of April, like that. That was the thing in class 10 and 12. Like we then used to even get the books properly, and there was exam. Unlearned is the way girls used to behave with each other. Like there was a competition. Like competition is good, but not for your gender. Competition is not good. Like compete for your studies, compete for your result. There was a competition. Oh, my hair is more silkier than you. That should not be the thing. And then the way, like I want to unlearn being judgmental. Our school was very judgmental, like judging in everything. Teachers, students, all judging each other. You wearing this, you are trying to attract whom. I don't know why these kinds of statements are there, but yeah.
Like we should, like, it's like a very judgmental environment we had. Everyone used to think
Very judgmental, and there was no what we call, there was no like, उन लोगों को पता नहीं था मेंटल हेल्थ क्या होता है और भी क्या होता है, ये सब नहीं पता था.
very true. Had it been a better environment, we would have done things much earlier and much in a better way, I think. पहले तो वो ट्रॉमा को बम्बार्ड करने में टाइम लगा, अब अपना करियर एज करने में टाइम लगेगा. डबल एफर्ट्स आ रहा है. टीचर यू डिडंट लाइक एट ऑल. आई हैव माय ओन थिंग. अब ये वायरल भी हो जाए तो मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, चाहे इसके भी के पास.
Well, it's like there was like teacher I didn't like at all. बोलना tough है because there were many teachers I did not like. So there was no particular one कि I didn't like at all. Yeah, you mentioned SKB. I had a thing with SKB. I did not like her much. for the way she used to talk and the statements she used to give. Those were so weird. Like, you are a girl, you should not use these. Like, if a student is using some language which she should not, so the way of making her know that that is wrong is to tell her ki you should not be using these words. It's not that ki you are a girl, that's why you should not use these words. He used to do the other way. You are a girl, you should not use this word. What is this gender bias I never understood. And then yeah, like I still don't understand those people talking about the parents, bringing parents in, like, was your, I don't know what you have learned in your home, like, and all that. I want to ask them what you have learned in your home. Like, if you are speaking like this, then I should also question your learning in your home. Did I? I did not. We did not. Then why are you? And then there was a phrase or statement which our school teachers used to use, like, yeah, you don't belong here, you go to Sovandal. I still don't understand why Sovandal, like, Sovandal was a school there. Sovandal is a school. So why you don't belong here and you belong to Sovandal? I still don't understand what are those students, like, aren't they students? Just because that's a Hindi medium. So that's like superior. What is the superiority you're having?
Yeah, like as we grow up, we know, we understand these things. How judgmental.
Yes, and they used to like your skirt is shorter, so then you want to attract the boys of MCKV. MCKV was the boys' school and all that. You are wearing short socks for whom, ankle length socks for whom? Like, for whom, bro? Why will I wear something for anyone?
Something which we didn't have in our mind.
Yeah, they used to put in. You are doing this for that. Yeah.
What's your perception on Gen Z or this generation?
I need to accept them a bit more. Because I am also becoming like our parents. अरे यार ये लोग तो ऐसे ही करते, ये लोग तो अजीब है. But I think I should be more accepting towards them. We also belong to Gen Z, but a previous wala Gen Z. This is another Gen Z. So, see, every generation is different. So we need to accept them. I really find certain things very weird, like their texting style. It's so weird. They never use a complete sentence and a complete word or everything in shortcut. I don't understand the use of that, the need of that. But other than that, it's fine.
Other than that, it's fine.
Fine, it's like they are way more conscious than us. We were not so much conscious of our rights and of our society. They are much more conscious of their rights in society. That's a very good point. They are much more like knowledgeable, not only in their studies but about the world. They know. They are logical. And things, I told you that texting wala thing I don't understand. And so, like, the way they talk, those things are a bit weird for us. For me at least, I don't know about us. तो देखो, हर चीज में तो कुछ खराब और हम लोग भी अपने टाइम में यूज करते थे. लॉल LOL, and our parents was like, what is LOL, lol? So that gap will always be there.
Yes.
So
that LOL,
I use LOL, lol. Then IDK, I don't know. There was a girl. I still remember there was a girl and the classroom door was shut and someone was knocking. And we just say, who is there? And she told, IDK. And hey, oh, I don't know. Okay.
This I don't know. It's like okay in texting when जब ऐसे बोलते हैं तब weird.
It's weird. IDK.
IUKWIM. It's like ठीक है texting में.
If you know what I mean.
It's fine on texting, but when you say it, to speak it, it's like, what are you saying?
We used to short formed a long sentences like जो बड़े होते हैं, like if you know what I mean, that was a very long sentence. They nowadays shorten everything. Like even the shortest sentences, they are more shorting them, even more making them shorter.
There's vibe. Vibe.
Yeah, and vibes, slang, and all that.
So we are getting older, and it sounds like two old
Yeah.
people.
I have accepted. We are getting older. I have accepted and made peace with it. Like it's fine. It's your time. Go enjoy.
Okay. What's it?
I had my time.
Yeah. Like, what is your take on that teenage relationship and crushes and like things like that?
That's a different feeling actually. That's a all total kind of a love which you will not feel in later life. That's that's toxic with till a certain point. That's insecure kind of a love till like, and so much of flowing of emotions. Like there is no logic. Like no logic. Like I am your girlfriend, so you can't have any female friends. That's it. There was no logic. Like weird stuff. Like give me your Facebook password, phone password, set a picture with me. All these stupid things, and that those was stupid. But you want that was like I think whatever phase you are at present at that point of your time, you should enjoy that because when that thing once it goes away, you would miss that. Like I don't want to get that back. Or it's not that I don't want to get that back, but I don't want to have that kind of a relationship anymore. But that was also a time which I think right now, ki, yeah, it was like the real self. Like I never used to control my emotions and did not used to think logically. It was the whatever I used to think, I used to say. I used to do that. That was a different kind of feeling. So yeah.
So we were basically exploring ourselves and so much of hormones.
Yes, exploring ourselves and all that.
Hormones and but I still feel thoda sa limit mein karna chahiye. You should use your senses. And like when I see like girls posting pictures and sending nude pictures, I feel like कि थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगा दो. It's okay to flow.
उस टाइम में दिमाग होता नहीं actually. That is the main thing.
Yeah. But it's not about
उस टाइम में नहीं समझ में आता कि क्या कर रहे हो.
But then a lot of people.
और हम लोग के टाइम में actually when we were teenagers, this sending nudes and so much of stuffs were not so much in
Yeah. Not so much.
Not so much. Very rare. Like I never faced it.
Even I did not, but I still know quite a few people who have done it or they.
There are people who do it, but even then in our teenager time, this nude taking and giving of nudes was not so much in fashion. Now it's more in fashion.
And yeah, it's unsafe also. Very unsafe.
It is unsafe. It is, but अब क्या ही कर, अब किसको समझाओगी तुम? जिसको समझाने जाओगी वो तुम्हारा क्या है? वो मैं अपना भेज रही, तुम्हारा थोड़ा भेज रही. तो भाई मेरा थ्योरी है, करो, क्योंकि मैं बोलूंगी तो तुम सुनोगे नहीं
ना. Exactly.
तो तुम करो, उसके बाद मरो, उसके बाद तुमको समझ में आएगा. तो इसीलिए मैं बोलती ही नहीं, जो मन करो. जिस दिन तुमको समझ में आएगा, जिस दिन कुछ होगा उस दिन खुद ही समझ में आएगा. बस.
Exactly. Now let's talk about love. How spicy is love and how painful it is. Spicy.
I think spicy से ज़्यादा it's painful. It's painful. Like you don't know when you don't have the security, right? There's no security. Like any day that person can leave and go. And that I think before loving a person, you should learn how to unlove that person, how to be okay even without that person. So before falling in love, make that sure you know how to do that.
Yeah, it's like loving yourself before loving someone else.
Loving other. Love yourself itna ki you can stay without that person, not just with you.
Yeah, and the last time we had a conversation, it's like too overrated also.
Yeah, very much overrated.
Very painful.
Like, oh, very much overrated. Like, I still don't know what love is. I still don't know. I don't know. I think the only love that is there in this world is between parents and the children. That is the only love. Senseless kind of a love. Like, whatever I do, my mother will still love me. But I don't, or I can't expect that from a other person other than my mother, whoever it is. So when condition is coming in, then that's not love.
Yeah, true. Like with our parents, we do have differences, we do have fights, but we know that they love us still and we love them. Very true. Ever had body image issues? And I would like to ask, ever had this issue of wearing spectacles and चश्मा क्यों लगाते हो ऐसा कुछ?
नहीं, मैं बचपन से चश्मा था, but I faced a lot of bullying in school, a lot. There was a whole group of non-Bengali girls, like, who used to not talk to me because I had this one thing. I used to patch this eye. This is the right eye. My right eye does not have a full vision. My left eye has a full vision, so I don't have much vision in this right eye. So the doctor told me when I was young, like kid, like very young, to cover my proper wala eye, strong eye, and to try to do and see everything through this eye. So if you try to do and see everything from this eye, then the vision might increase because all you're giving pressure in this eye ना, जिससे तुझे दिखाई नहीं देता उसमें तू देखना चाहती है तो उसका विजन तो होगा ही. That's the natural science. If you try to do that, that's how you improve. So I used to face a lot of bully. Like those girls were like, तुम्हारे साथ बात नहीं करना है, घर पे मना किया है तुम्हारे साथ बात करने को, तुमको नहीं टच करना, तुम्हारे साथ दोस्ती नहीं करनी.
Okay, that has
But I never thought that has happened.
okay. And
और मैंने तो जाके कंप्लेन भी कर दी थी टीचर को, उन्हीं लोग को डांट पड़ा था इसके लिए.
then apart from that,
Apart from not wearing specs, I never had a problem. I can't live without my specs. I don't know why I'm owning.
I also had specs. मेरा तो I got
हाँ, तेरा भी तो specs था. कहाँ है?
I got classic. तो मेरा वो क्या -5 पावर था. आई थिंक अपने स्कूल को इतना प्रेशर नहीं देना चाहिए कि बच्चा बच्चा चश्मा लगा के, मतलब जिसके विजन खराब है उसको और खराब हो जाए, जिसका ठीक है उसका खराब हो जाए और अच्छे से खराब हो जाए. मतलब ठीक है, शांति रखो.
I also had operation when I was 11 months old. But my eyes won't work that way. Like, operation cannot heal my eyes. I will have this forever. Like,
Okay. It's
it's a part of my life.
it's like a squint in your eye. Like,
Yeah, I was a squint, total squint when I was born. Then that was operated. But still, this power will never go. I will have this integral power in what I do. Something. I sleep.
and like apart from that, any other kind of body image issue? And this you have accepted and you have been okay with it. Like, yeah, you can.
Yeah, I have body issue. That specs thing doesn't matter, but I have body issue a lot. I am very concerned about my weight, my body weight. I'm very concerned about that. Like, so I have that. I'm dealing with it, but still it's in a process.
Okay. So, like anything which you kind of it triggered or it came.
It did not trigger anything. I don't know. I had this thing that first I started working out because I wanted to be healthy, like working out. When I started losing weight, all of a sudden I had this, I have to lose weight. And then on, this Instagram thing, everywhere I used to see this, people are just like sticks all around. So I started that, I want to be that. And then I'm this.
Then you became skinny, very skinny.
But I have muscle, see? I work out.
Wow, I see. But you were skinny in school days as well. Like there was nothing.
Yeah, but I was never fat, but skinny. I had this. I still don't know my life, my things which kept on happening does not have a particular reason. They just happened. I still don't know why this happened, but this happened. There was no one who told me ki, you need to be. There was no one because I was a healthy guy. I was okay. I never had a thing. But then पता नहीं लगा. This Instagram thing, this affected actually. I saw so many people, like everyone I was seeing in Instagram, they are like skinny.
Yeah. The kind of beauty standards which has come.
Yeah, beauty standards which was set that only skinny people are beautiful. That affected me.
Only skinny people, people with, I don't know,
Jaw and
yeah, and flawless skin.
no, yeah, flawless skin and wonders.
सब एक जैसा ही दिखता है. The everything is like
Everyone, yeah, they are like
everyone is
clothes.
talking about body image. Everyone.
Yeah.
Those people are themselves talking about, we drink water. We drink 8 glasses of water.
Yeah. Like anyone you ask the secret of your glowing skin, it's just water. मैं यहाँ पे 2-3 लीटर पानी खत्म कर रही फिर भी ग्लो नहीं आ रहा है. नहीं, उन लोग क्या पानी पीता है मुझे नहीं पता.
And this whole thing of getting work done, it doesn't happen. Surgeries, no, ये सब कौन कराता है?
Yeah, I am fine with surgeries. You wanted to do it, you did it.
Yeah.
But at least accept. Why are you not accepting? Don't tell me this is natural because we will think that how is yours not natural and my face is not becoming like this. So accept the fact that yes, I have done it. So what? You felt that way you might feel confident and you did it. So
And by that, the boys.
इन लोगों को हर चीज का डर है. मोटी हो जाऊंगी तो सोसाइटी जज करेंगे. अगर बोल दिया कि पतली होने के लिए कुछ किया उसमें भी जज करेगा. तो सोसाइटी तो तुमको जज कर ही रहा है ना, तो तुम क्यों डर रही हो? पता नहीं.
एकदम ही मतलब वो है कि बट देन व्हाट आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विथ यू काइंड ऑफ एंटायर जनरेशन को आप गलत डायरेक्शन में पुश करते हो. दे आर इट्स लाइक व्हाट हैपन वी हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद समवन हु इज यंगर देन अस. वो यही सब बोलते हैं ना कि लड़कियां तो ऐसी ही दिखती हैं. मतलब दैट इज व्हाट दे हैव सीन. That is what the benchmark is. So they are like, हाँ ऐसा ही होता है. This is how they look. And
I've even seen boys like talking with each other like देखा लड़की कितनी मोटी थी, ऐसी क्यों थी? I don't think what they talk like this. They used to talk like this. They still out think waiting.
I think वो real और real world का they का kind वो one dissociate हो गया.
That's more in this. I think Kolkata is फिर भी ठीक. This body issue is more and more. You go to Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, they are more insecure even than us. Like Kolkata is still, because I still feel that somewhere we Kolkata people are much more liberal and much more accepting than other people. I really feel that we have that sense. We are not that stupid.
Yeah. बट ये जो है ना पूरा डिसोसिएट हो. व्हाट आई फील ऑल्सो ना, जैसे हम लोग इंस्टाग्राम पे जो चीज़ देखते हैं और जो रियल लाइफ में हो रहा होता है, दे आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. एब्सोल्युटली इट्स लाइक इंस्टाग्राम हैज बिकम अ सेफ प्लेस वेयर पीपल एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्व्स इन व्हाटएवर दे वांट. मतलब कोई हद नहीं है उसका. एंड रियल वर्ल्ड में कुछ और ही हो रहा है. इनफैक्ट एजुकेशन ऑल्सो, इफ देर आर न्यूज़ अबाउट पीपल कमिटिंग सुइसाइड्स, बट जहाँ पे सुसाइड्स हो रहा है उनको नहीं पता ना ये चीज़ की हो रहा है. मतलब दे आर अनअवेयर. सो यू टॉकिंग अबाउट बस्ती, टॉकिंग अबाउट यूपीएससी, अगेन यू हैव टू वॉच दैट स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी एक्सक्लूसिवली टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ऐसा होता है.
I have.
Yeah. But then as a student, it's like it's very difficult. It's different.
I laugh, but then I was like, मतलब अगर if you are studying, so he used the thing ना कि ऐसे पूछा था कि कौन सा camel तैरता है. And I was like, if you have a bit of general knowledge, you will know that most of the animal knows how to swim. That is the basic, that they know how to swim. So ये तो स्टूडेंट जो पढ़ रहे है उसको पता रहेगा, तुम नहीं पढ़े हो इसलिए तुमको नहीं पता था शायद, तो जो लोग है स्टडीज में उन लोग को इतना पता रहता है कि क्या हो रहा है right now. हाँ, they can swim. Every animal can swim actually.
अच्छा,
Like if you throw them in water, तो they will. तुमको नहीं लगता है कि अगर हाँ सर्वाइवल तो वो तो नेचुरली आएगा ना,
बट देन जरूरी नहीं है इफ आई थ्रो काउ एंड वाटर दे कांट स्विम,
पर बच जाएंगे कुछ ना कुछ, अगर वो होगा उन लोगों को सर्वाइवल इंस्टिंक्ट आता है.
सर्वाइवल इंस्टिंक्ट वो होता है, बट ऐसे इट्स लाइक इट्स डिफिकल्ट, क्योंकि इंसान को भी अगर तुम तो फेंक दोगे जिसको स्विमिंग नहीं आते, सर्वाइवल इंस्टिंक्ट इज डिफरेंट, हाथ पैर तो मारा ही जाएगा.
बट जनरली एनिमल्स हैव दैट थिंग.
I see. ये तो I got to know from you, which I haven't read or studied like something like this. Okay. So what's your opinion on parenting? Parenting and parents and brown parents, Indian parents.
Please respect the privacy of your children. They have a life and accept the way they are. Stop trying to make them you. They are not you. They have a unique identity. Stop pushing them to become like you. Try to accept the way they are. Don't be so much of exclusive. Try to be a bit inclusive.
Do you have this thing कि फोन पे क्यों बात कर रही हो, गेट खोल के पढ़ाई करो, something like that?
I never did shut my room का gate when I used to study. मम्मी आ जाती थी, क्या है क्यों, अरे यार पढ़ेगी नहीं.
यार वो इशू है ना, गेट क्यों
अभी भी फोन पे बात नहीं कर सकती हूँ, अभी भी. I'm 25. I'm literally 25. I just
had your birthday.
Yeah. I just became still. अभी भी किसी के साथ मम्मी के सामने अभी भी लगता है यार फोन कैसे उठाऊं, अभी भी ये फील होता है. अभी भी कहीं जाने के लिए डर लगता है कि कैसे परमिशन लूं. अभी भी ये जब तक पता नहीं है कभी भी जाएगा कि नहीं. लगता था जब खुद अर्न करना चालू कर दूंगी तब चला जाएगा, बट नहीं. अब कभी लगता है शायद तब भी ये डर रहेगा. ऑफिस का कॉल रहा है, डर लग रहा है मम्मी के सामने कैसे बात कर सकूं.
मम्मी बस को बोलेगी चल कोई टाइम होता है कॉल करने का.
हाँ तो
नहीं तब भी नहीं जाएगा. तब ये डायलॉग आ जाएगा ना कि कमाने लगी, ये तो एटीट्यूड आ गया है. तभी भी नहीं जाएगा. यू कांट डू दैट. प्राइवेसी नहीं देते हैं. I mean, like,
नहीं, उन लोगों को अपना प्राइवेसी चाहिए, लेकिन उन लोग के लाइफ में तो कुछ बोलो, अरे ये तो मेरा मैटर है, तुम क्यों घुसो, तुम भी बच्चे हो. पर वो लोग हमेशा हमारे सर हर एक मैटर में घुसेंगे.
ऐसी प्राइवेसी एकदम भी नहीं देते हैं, और अपने अपब्रिंगिंग पे फेथ भी नहीं होता उनको. मतलब
नहीं, यस ये बहुत अच्छा बात बोला तुमने. अपने अपब्रिंगिंग में फेथ नहीं होता. तुमको तो पता है ना कि वो है कैसी, तो भरोसा करो. ट्रस्ट प्रोसेस को तो तुम ट्रस्ट करती हो ना, प्रोसेस ही ट्रस्ट नहीं करते वो लोग. हमेशा शक में रहते, तुम भी की होगी, अरे यार नहीं किए. और वो लोग भी तो हमारे उम्र के तो वो लोग भी थे ना, तो वो लोग भी तो ये किए होंगे. तो अभी हम लोग कर रहे तो इतना डर नहीं का कि हम लोग कुछ कर नहीं लेंगे. मतलब वो उम्र तो अभी हम लोग क्रॉस कर चुके हैं. वो किसी के साथ भाग जाने वाला उम्र तो और है.
ट्रू.
वो हाँ, तो अब क्या ही करेंगे. इतना सेंस तो हम लोग के अंदर भी है.
वो टीचर्स का भी सेम है, खुद ही पढ़ाते हैं खुद ही शक करते हैं. पेरेंट्स का भी सेम है, खुद ही सिखाते हैं खुद ही अपने ही बच्चे पे शक करते हैं. कि कुछ तो तुम ही की होगी. I mean, like, trust your like. Next question, ever been to therapy?
Yes, I have been to therapy.
What was the reason?
My overthinking, and I am very, very much overthinker, and I always think the negative. मैं हमेशा, कभी ये नहीं आता कि अरे यार हो भी सकता है, हमेशा नहीं होगा.
I think
कुछ गलत तो होना ही है.
I think ये बहुत कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है ओवरथिंकिंग वाला चीज. A lot of people.
मतलब ये क्या,
मेरे को नहीं एट दिस पॉइंट नहीं है, पहले था. हाँ, अब वो हो गया है कि क्या होगा, हाँ हो जाएगा, क्या कर सकते हैं उसका. नो इट्स लाइक दैट. अब वो रिलक्टेंस आ गया है. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा.
जब वो रिलक्टेंट आ जाता है तब काम भी होते रहता है. एक्चुअली काम हो भी जाता है. ओवर थिंक जितना करेगी उतना डर लगेगा तुम्हें कि वो नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा.
वो जब कुछ भी लाइक आई थिंक नीट का प्रेपरेशन में भी यही था कि नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. एवरी डे यू गेट अप एंड यू थिंक कि नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. बट देन यू हैव टू लेट गो ऑफ दैट एटीट्यूड कि नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा, मतलब क्या कर सकते हैं ना उसके बाद. तो सो दैट इज द थिंग. एंड फिर वो आप पढ़ के फोकस कर पाते हो, यू काइंड ऑफ लेट गो ऑफ द रिजल्ट्स. ओके, व्हाट्स योर स्लीप एंड स्टडी डायनामिक्स. How many hours do you sleep? And how important?
5 hours. 5 hours. I sleep for 5 hours.
इतना ही.
बस. ये भी कभी कभी लगता है ये भी ज़्यादा सो रहे हैं.
It's a disturbed sleep or it's an undisturbed sleep?
No. 5 hours I just sleep. No one in there. I just sleep.
We have afternoon naps.
Very rare.
This is like a not like a average Bengali trait.
Yeah, because Bengali people generally sleep in the afternoon. Like those who are in the home, they do, but I don't. I don't have the option. सोने में किसको मजा नहीं आता है. मेरे को आज बोल दे कि तू 22 सो जा, मैं तो हर एक दिन रोज सो जाऊँ. पर क्या करूँ.
I think
जिंदगी है भाई.
shut up. हाँ, so ये जो है ना, आई थिंक बंगालीज का वो एग्जाम के टाइम पे वेदर दे आर गुड एट स्टडीज और दे आर नॉट गुड एट स्टडीज, दे कम बैक होम, दे स्लीप इररिस्पेक्टिव.
तुझे ये सब कौन बोला है रे.
इसलिए अरे यार हम जब भी घर आते थे, मेरा बीमारी था, आई यूज्ड टू कम बैक होम, आई यूज्ड टू वॉच टीवी सम पता नहीं रोमांटिक सीरियल और समथिंग स्टूपिड. उसमें 2 घंटा निकल जाता था. जब उसके बाद किसी को भी फोन.
मैं भी स्कूल लाइफ में कभी दोपहर को नहीं सोती थी. मैं कभी भी दोपहर को नहीं सोती थी. मैं भी स्कूल जाकर टीवी देखती थी. तो ऐसी लड़की लोग के साथ दोस्ती करेगी तो यही से पता चलेगा. मेरे साथ दोस्ती करती असलियत पता चलता.
मैं सेक्शन सी में थी, अब सेक्शन ए वालों से कैसे.
तू तो क्या करेगी. सी में थी ना, अच्छी अच्छी लड़कियों के साथ दोस्ती करती थी. हम लोग तो बैक बेंचर्स थे, उसीलिए इग्नोर मारती थी.
वो लोग मतलब इससे अच्छा बैक बेंचर्स के साथ दोस्ती करना चाहिए यार, सच में.
कितनी अच्छा है, समझ में आया बाद में, पर अच्छा है. बहुत लेट समझ में आते को, यही दुख है मेरे को. पहले समझती.
ठीक है, डू यू हैव फ्रेंड्स.
कर जा. नहीं, दोस्ती करने से तो बेहतर है कि कोई फ्रेंड्स ना रहे. और मेरे कोई फ्रेंड्स है भी. I really don't have friends because I feel I am not made for friendship. I don't know how to maintain a relationship. Like if you are in a friendship, you have to call that person, meet that person. Hi baby, how are you? I love you. You are the best and all that. अब मेरे से वो होता नहीं. तो अगर मैं तुम्हारी दोस्त हूँ तो तुम अगर कुछ गलत कर रही हो तो मैं वो बोलूँगी. अब तुमको नहीं मानना है, तुमको गुस्सा होना है, तो तुम्हारे साथ मुझे दोस्ती रखना नहीं है. क्योंकि मेरे से अगर दोस्ती जो है वो तो इतना तुमको इतना मतलब फेकनेस क्यों दिखाना पड़ेगा कि नहीं तुम बेस्ट हो, तुम सबसे प्रिटी हो. ऐसे कौन फ्रेंडशिप रखता है. मेरे से नहीं होता है. पीपल प्लीज मेरे से होता नहीं है, और जिससे पीपल प्लीज नहीं होता है उन लोगों का दोस्त भी नहीं होता. एज सिंपल एज दैट.
What should women do better and learn from men?
Nothing. कुछ सीखो नहीं लड़के लोग से, दोस्ती सीख लो बस. दोस्ती सीखो. और बाकी सब तुम बेटर हो. बाकी हर चीज में तुम बेटर हो. दोस्ती सीख लो बस.
I agree. Women should support women more any day.
हाँ, बस वही सीख लो. पर वो भी एक्चुअली मुझे लगता है कि वो पेट्रियार्की के लिए हुआ है. ये जो हुआ है ना, women not supporting women, ये उसी लिए हुआ है क्योंकि हम लोग में ये कंपटीशन आया है. क्योंकि we were fed like this कि you need to impress a boy because they are the saviors of your life. Like अगर हम लोग पहले से देखें तो यही सिखाया गया था कि तुमको अट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तुमको इम्प्रेस करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि तुमको शादी करना है, तुमको अच्छे से घर बसाना है. तुम अगर ये सब नहीं करोगी तो तुम कैसे घर बसाओगी. कोई और तुमसे ज्यादा अच्छा हो जाएगा तो उससे शादी हो जाएगा. तो यही सबसे हम लोग का हो चुका है. तो ये भी उन्हीं लोग का गलती है. हम लोग का कोई गलती नहीं है. वी आर द बेस्ट. अरे यार, तू अभी भी उससे बात करती है? तू
कम होता है पर होता है।
ब्लॉक कर दे।
हाँ, सजेशन अच्छा है लेकिन।
क्या नौटंकी के साथ बात करती तू बाबा? ओ, चलती फिरती नौटंकी।
रिसेंटली नॉट
ऐसे तो करती थी, कैसे तो करती, ई मम्मा 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 ऐसे करके बात करती थी। लगता था एक छापड़ मारी थी उसके बदतमीज।
ever went through sexual harassment and how did it impact you mentally?
Yes, I have went through sexual harassment. So, okay, sexual harassment. Yeah. So, I went through sexual harassment when I was class in. मेरी बहन पैदा हुई.
I think well मेरे को दिखाई नहीं दिया but
No, I went to sexual harassment when I was in class 10 and class 11. So, the first thing when I was in class 10 was from my math teacher. पढ़ाने आया था घर पे. बोला कि गाल मतलब अजीब, मतलब मुझे बोला कि वो वो सर जो थे वो बहुत एज, उनका एज लाइक फादर जैसा था, मेरे पापा से भी बड़े थे, लाइक मेरे पापा से वो बड़े थे. तो वो मुझे बोले कि तू तू कितनी क्यूट है, मन करता तेरी गाल खींचूं. तो मुझे तो समझ में ही नहीं आया, मुझे कभी ये लगा ही नहीं कि ये कुछ गलत भी हो सकती है, क्योंकि वो तो मेरे पापा से भी एज के बड़े हैं ना. तो मैंने बोला हाँ कोई बात नहीं. तो वो ऐसे किए. उसके बाद ही ट्राई टू पुट हिज हैंड इनसाइड माय टॉप एंड आई स्टॉप्ड हिम लाइक नो, दिस ये नहीं करना है मुझे. लिटरली सेड दिस इन बंगाल कि এটা করতে চাই না. And he then removed his hand. And I never, that was the last time I met him. After that I never met him, I never talked to, I had a talk, we never had a talk. And I did not tell this to my parents even. I don't know why, but I could not. Still now, it class 10 means it's in 2014. So 10 years has passed. I haven't said this to my parents. And in class 11, that was my father's childhood friend. Not childhood, adult, like teenage friend kind of. There was a party going on in my home, like get together with their family, and he came in my room. My room was lights were off in my room because I was listening songs, playing songs. So lights were switched off, and he just came and he did things. And for that moment, I could not move. My body movement stopped. After that, he then went away again, and everything was so normal. Like he did that to me, and then it was so normal for him. I still think that you are doing something with a class 11 girl. You know what you are doing, and then you're so normal. Like how much endurance you have within yourself. Like what are you made of? Then that was a thing, and that I shared with my parents. They took a stand, and yeah, it's it. That was the story. That's the story of my sexual harassment. To be honest, it did not affect me that much. I don't know that if that's my mental strength or what. I let that thing go. I did that. But yeah, it's not that कि मुझे, I still remember each and every moment. That उसका मतलब तो यही है ना कि वो उतना इफेक्ट किया था कि क्योंकि I don't remember so much. Other situations I just don't remember so much clearly, but those two situations I remember clearly exactly what happened. It affected me, but I chose to let that go and move forward and move like.
you did not let it bother you much because
Yeah, I did not let it bother me.
I will ask you questions. What's your take on mental health and like the impact of mental on physical health and physical health on mental health?
Mental health is area which still needs a lot of excavation, actually, if we say, because it's not clear very much till now to people how it affects and what it can do. It's still not clear to people. They don't take it seriously. It's like, so, and I don't know why people just use the word, like, it's also us. We use the word depression and trauma so easily, so fluently. Like something else, yeah, I'm depressed. It's not that easy. It's a very different game, but we use that word so easily, like every day. कुछ थोड़ा इधर से उधर वो, अरे यार, I'm depressed. So first, I think we should start with respecting the words like depression, trauma. These are very, words with weightage and importance. Stop using that so commonly. It's losing its importance. It will lose its importance. People will take it. Already, it's a joke for many of us. And if we keep on using that so smoothly and so easily, it will become more of a joke as time will go. And you cannot work properly if you are not mentally okay. You cannot work. Trust me, you cannot. I have been through that. You cannot. You need to be happy to do something. You need to be at calm, at peace to do something. Yes, at peace. Without that, you cannot do it. However hard you try, it doesn't happen.
That is like mind calmness is really important. That peace factor in mind, that patience factor in mind.
Yes, it is very important. It's very important to calm your mind down, because the thing which you are doing, it will already create a pressure. Anyway, it will create a pressure. Unless your job will create a pressure. Your studies, if you are studying, that will create a pressure. So that pressure you will anyway have. But apart from that, another kind of pressure, if you're having it, then that will become much more difficult for you, because already you're dealing with a pressure, this thing, work pressure. Again, another kind of a pressure, just, it's difficult.
Oh no, you're a very good singer, so I would like you to sing a few lines. The creative side of Urna.
They come down. 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 दो नैनों के पीछे 200 गलियां, इनमें खोकर तू मिलता रहेगा। तुझको अंबर से पिंजरे ज्यादा प्यार, उड़ जा कहने से सुनता भी तू है कहाँ। गल सुन लिया, वे कम लिया मेरे
आगे भी गा सकते हैं, मतलब हाँ, like why did you stop? Why did you stop?
तू भी गा दे, तू भी अच्छा गाती है नाटक में।
ये अच्छा नहीं गाते भाई, तेरा सुर ताल और वो, मतलब उसके बाद तो मेरा हो जाता है बात।
हाँ, तो मैंने कब बोला मेरे से तू अच्छा गाती है? मैंने बोला तू मेरे से खराब गाती है फिर भी गाना गा, मैंने ये बोला। कोई बात नहीं, हो सकता है, पर फिर भी गा।
हाँ, मैं गा जाने गाती हूँ
मैं ऑब्वियसली। ठीक है दीदी।
Any advice to 13-year-olds Urna or a 13-year-old teenager?
You were the best. I am so proud of you. You were the best. You were whatever you were. I don't want to change you. That was a phase of your life. You enjoyed it. You did it. You sustained. You survived. And I'm proud of you.
हाँ, lovely. Okay, इसके बाद ये, how do you manage academics and being creative both at the same time? Like, you know,
मैंने छोड़ दिया being creative, मैंने सच में। मतलब कहीं पे मैंने पिटारे में बंद करके रख दिया।
जो खुलेगा after you have done your academic,
खुलेगा या खुलेगा, वो जरूर खुलेगा। ये कर लेने दे, उसके बाद खुलेगा, पर खुलेगा।
और ड्रेसेस अलग है कि क्या?
हाँ,
जेनजी को मिमिक करना।
वो उसमें किया था ना मैंने,
नहीं, उसमें नहीं किया था, करने वाली थी, किया नहीं था।
या तब मैंने कुछ सोचा था ना, अभी मुझे याद ही नहीं आ रहा है। मैंने क्या बोला था, जेनजी को ही बोला था।
हाँ, पहले तो टाइपिंग टाइप उनका।
ये लड़की लोग का जो 13 ईयर वो टीनेजर में डेल्यूल्यू नहीं होता, डेल्यूशन, वो अभी भी सेम ही है। वो इधर जेनजी और हम लोग का जेन जो भी 10-12 है वो सेम ही है, अभी तक वो सेम है। हम लोग को लगता था ना, एक लड़का बात करते तो लगता था बस शादी, नथिंग एल्स। अभी भी वो चलता है, लेकिन वो खत्म नहीं हुआ है, वो खत्म होगा भी नहीं।
हर जनरेशन।
एक दिन बात कर लिया, बोला यस यू आर द फादर ऑफ माई बेबी, फ्यूचर बेबी। हाँ, ये अभी भी चल रहा है।
तो अभी भी चल रहा है भाई।
पर अभी इतना हंसी आता है मेरे को कि क्या क्या हो क्या रही है। मतलब तब लगता है कि हम लोग भी किए। मुझे तो अभी भी याद है, मेरी जो एक्स था, उसका तो मैंने फोन में एक टाइम पे उसका नाम सेव था BKP, ठीक है, बेबी के पापा। मतलब लगता है कि ऐसे बंदूक निकालूं और ऐसे खुद को मार दूं, पर हम नहीं सकते।
हाँ, मतलब आज टुडे आई सेव एवरीवन।
कहाँ है मेरा बेबी का पापा, भगवान जाने। चला गया, हो गया हमारा बेबी का पापा का चक्कर खत्म हो गया। चला गया बेबी का मम्मी को छोड़ के, मम्मी जो मतलब हो गया सब खत्म। क्या मतलब हम लोग क्या करते थे यार, यो क्रिंज। बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। मेरी बहन जज कर रही है, एकदम डायगोनली देख के मेरे को जज कर रही है। ये क्या
बड़े होगी तो स्पीक पता चल जाएगा। मतलब पहले मैं भी एक तो आई हैव दिस थिंग कि हमारे पेरेंट्स की वजह से सब अपना लड़कों का नाम क्रिप्टिक लैंग्वेज में सेव करते हैं।
हाँ, कोई अननोन सेव करता था, कोई भी कुछ, और हर एक लड़की के नाम पे सेव होता था।
राइट।
दोस्त है मम्मी, दोस्त है।
एब्सोल्युटली। वो तभी भी, अब तो प्रॉपर नेम, पूरा नाम सेव होता है ना, आगे ना
हाँ,
पीछे
तो
कुछ। नीचे था
हाँ, अब पूरा नाम सेव होता है।
ना आगे ना
पर
पीछे
क्या ही
कुछ।
होगा यार।
हाँ। ओके, जादवपुर जाके फूका वूका नहीं?
नहीं, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूंगी, आई हैव ट्राइड एवरीथिंग, बट मैं करती नहीं हूँ, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता। वो ट्राई करना था बस एक बार कि होता क्या है, उसके बाद नहीं।
So it changed you as a person. Like it kind of opened
Yes,
horizons and you kind of see the
very
world
much.
what it is. Thank you Urna for your time. काफी 1-1.5 घंटा ले लिया।
थैंक यू निधि।